Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make Luffa Gourd and Chayote chicken soup. This is what Luffa Gourd looks like. These are the leaves and the tips from the Chayote squash, and this is what the Chayote squash looks like. This is one of the best traditional Hmong soup. My mom used to make this for me when I was little, and today I continue to make it for my family. In a pot, fill it up with some water. Once the water is hot, add your salt, peppers, lemongrass, and a scoop of chicken broth mix. Then add your chicken. When the chicken is well done, add the Luffa Gourd and stir everything together. Add the chayote tips and leaves, mix everything together, and cook it for about 10 minutes. If you want the chayote tips to be crunchy, don't cook it too long. This is what it looks like when it's done. It is very delicious, healthy, and very simple to make. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, God bless.